Bon Masavu atenga tukola show yemu ku chakala.
Mbuchi.
Mbu mnange feba mu katonda yabipanga bitegeke mu muda omukola n'abantu nga temumachinga.
So guys, happy birthday. Pako bifananyi bya Akram, pako bifananyi bya Akram wawe bili naye.
Yes.
And tulina mukoze mutya namwe.
Ate chichi. Akram ali muri atudde bifananyi bajja baba bituteerayo. Nenga bachimanyi nti Akram small Masavu ali most talented. Oh, you're Tash, Hubby.
Bambi, happy birthday, darling.
Thank you, darling.
Wow. You have a $1 million eye sight. Go on to it is $1 million. Wow. So that is my Tash, 12 years of age. Sweet 16. That is Akram.
Kablazo mulava.
Akram, happy birthday as well.
Happy birthday.
That is my birthday. Yakola Chakala Mix is that guy. Actually, abawulira amarobozi getukola ku BBS wano. Chiddako ku BBS Terefayina. That is the man behind with $1 million voice. Akram, happy birthday. Very simple, birthday, very humble, very hardworking young man. Kale no, tubayoza.
Oh. Happy birthday to me, happy birthday Akram.
Mami,
happy to share with you.
Tash baby.
Yes.
Mami, you by the way, let me tell you something about you. The world may not know. Very hardworking, very polite.
Oh.
You know, I've met girls that tweet about slave queen. You are like a slave queen.
Yes.
Na yecho singa kuba slave queen ate empisa.
Yes.
Kubanga ofumba mwana. Oli wa kavi.
Thank you, baby.
Live long to celebrate as many years as possible.
Attend this slave queen ayambala kubiwangu.
Ati chechifulo wenjawulo. You are a marriage material. Era musajja ali kutwala ena wana abatampadde ente kanana. Okay, let's kickstart the show.
By the way, with my birthday, I would like to really thank my mom. Neni no muntu wenjawulo. That is my sister, Bamita Safina. She's been there for me.
In home.
Yansomesa, we are all 6 girls. You
are who in the family?
I'm the 5th.
You are the 5th?
Yeah.
After you, Waliyo Bameka?
Waliomu.
So you're close to Chigaranda?
Yeah. Yes.
And Mami has taken you to school when you
yes, and
are
I've been
graduating.
And Mami has been like doing the best for us, you know. I love her so much.
Where do you get the inspiration of joining media?
Sweetheart.
Ochijawa.
I think it was one of my friends, Yampita, on one of some TV. Just out of the blue, I started working, then Nechitanika Wechitio. So, what did you want to be remembered? Oh, I would like to be remembered as a person who is different from what she looks to be in the public. Wow, this guy is she's really different. Noble. Okay. Yes. Kale, there you go. Katutandike ndoza engagement